Good morning, my dear student. This is Miss Soni Gupta, and I welcome you all to our moral science class. I hope you all are doing good. So please take care of yourself, stay home, and stay safe. And I hope you all are studying at home and doing the work in your copies, because this is a very crucial time for all of us. But still, we should not waste our time and utilize our time and do our duties well. And what is your duty? Your main duty is to study regularly. You know that, yeah? So let's start our studies. And today we are going to study the 7th chapter of Moral Science. And our 7th chapter is Do Your Duties Well. Yes, like everybody has to perform their own duty in this society, yes. Like duty is to perform not for its own sake, but it should have a good intention to perform all our duties. And the main duty is performed by the student is to study regularly. They should read their book attentively, and they should do their home tasks and class tasks regularly. They should listen to what their teachers say and note down everything. Like they should make the best use of their time, and they should acquire knowledge of every kind and equip by themselves, and with requisite qualification for their future life. And the another duty of a student is to take care of their health. Like a student duty should not be limited to learning only, but it should be like they have to neat and clean and take proper care of the health. They should read while it is time for reading, and they should play while it is time to play, and this would make them wise and happy. And a student must build up their character. If the character is low, everything is low. So a student should give up the evil company and form a good habits. Okay. And again, another duty of the student is to perform some social service also. During the vacation, they should organize like a social service group in the school, and to work in different areas, thus they can able to help the poor and distressed. Okay. And also students should take part in all co-curricular activities for all round development, and they must obey and respect their teachers, parents, and elders, and they should be dutiful to their country and God. So student life is the best time of a man's life. Okay, so he should make the proper use of their time and do their duties well. Okay, so like we should have good intention to perform all our duties well. Okay, like Valmiki, he was a great poet. Okay, he created a personification of duty, and he created this personification in the form of Rama and Sita, Lord Rama and Sita. Yes, Rama and Sita were two divine then person in the flesh and body. Okay, like Rama suffered intensely and joyfully did his duty to follow the path of the truth. How noble was Rama, while following his father's command gladly, willingly, and obediently. Okay, like duties to perform by everybody in the same way Rama did, Lord Rama did. Okay, like Bhagavad Gita teaches us about duty. Okay, like in Lord Krishna asks us to do our duty well and never pay for the fruits to the duty performed. We should do our duty because it is our duty to do so. We should not wait for the profit or fruits of the duty performed by the us, but we have to do the duty because it is our duty to do our duty. Yes. The next is importance of duty. Like if all of us do not perform our duty as it ought to be done, then there will be a disorder. Okay, and so all of us should perform our duty as expected of us. Duty should become a part of our life. but duty should not be considered as an extra burden or like some type of obligation, but it should be for the immense satisfaction and sense of achievement. Okay, we should have the intention to do our duty, and reward should not be our intention or our concern. We just have to perform our duty well, but we should not wait for the fruit or reward or benefits from the duty performed by the us. The next is kinds of duties. Like kinds of duties, we all have different kind of duties. Like your duty is to study, my duty is to make you study and teach you well. Then your parents' duty is to take care of your, cook food for you, earn money for you all. Yes, so we all have some different kinds of duties, and a man has to discharge their duty towards parents, teachers, society, or like children and wives. In performing these duties, he or she should be judicious and careful that not to hurt them knowingly or unknowingly. Like as a good children, we should discharge our duty towards the welfare of the government or our parents. Like the great philosopher Socrates discharged his duty towards the government by obeying the death sentence passed on him. Though he has not done any mistake, but he obeyed the government and he sentenced him in death. Okay, like he was known for his greatness. He was so much conscious of duty that he never cared even for his life, though he had every chance to escape death. But thus in performing duty, one should have a strong willpower, capacity to sacrifice, and truthfulness towards own self. Okay, then the greatness of doing our duty. Like fully performed duty give us like pleasure and satisfaction. Yes, you also feel when you perform your duty well, you feel a kind of satisfaction and pleasure among yourselves. Yes, so this person who does all his duties well will be respected by everyone in the society. Like if you will do your duty well, if you study well, you will be respected by the all the students and all the person in the society. Okay, so the valuable time one should spend for doing their duty and will be respected even after their death also. If you do good will, good deed, then you will be respected even after your death also. So as we all are children, we should perform our duties according to our own nature, and we too must have the attitude to do our duty for the sake of the society, nation, and humanity at large. So our main duty is to do our duty, and do our duty regularly, nicely, and accordingly. Okay, so this is all about our duty and performing our duty well. Hope you understand about your duty and about the chapter. Thank you.